name is Hayley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm doing my second Fashionphile unboxing. I'm gonna give a little background information in this intro. If you don't want to hear it, you're more than welcome to skip forward. I will put timestamps down below, but for the people that are interested in a Fashionphile update, this part of the video is for you. What I wanted to do with my Louis Vuitton Capucines was compare it to this bag that I have in this box. I technically ordered them a few hours apart from one another and they arrived on separate days, but I was going to wait. And then when I received the first box, I was like, I don't want to wait. I'm just going to unbox it. And then I realized and found out that I got the wrong bag. It was the bag that I ordered, but in a completely different size. The measurements were off on the website, all of that good stuff. And I wrote Fashionphile. We've been going back and forth and I'm waiting to get a 100% resolution to the issue and see what they offer me so I can then make an update or a follow-up to this video, which is part 2 in a part 3 video that talks about just everything that has happened with Fashionphile. And so yeah, this video is just a comparison between these two bags because that was what the first video was supposed to be. It was supposed to be me unboxing both boxes, showing you both bags, and then figuring out which one I liked more. This bag is a fraction of the price of this Louis Vuitton Capucines, but in my opinion, it's very similar. It was sort of in the same family category, and it's a bag that I have really loved. It's a little outdated. Some people don't like the brand. Actually, a lot of people don't like the brand. A lot of people don't like this bag. They find it very prim and proper. They find it very ugly. They find it very boring, but I have loved it for a very long time. And so the price point that I got it at, I felt was competitive, and I was like, oh, well, this could be a good, cheaper alternative to the Louis Vuitton Capucines, and just see which one you like more. And so yeah, that's the update for Fashionphile right now. Like I said, when I get a 100% resolution, I will make a part 3 for you guys and let you know what has happened. So I have my scissors, but actually I forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This video a thumbs up. You might as well. It's free and it helps me out tremendously. And let me know down below in the comment section which bag you think is better. Okay, and don't be biased, you guys, and don't say the LV Capucines just because it's 3 times I think the amount of money that I paid for this bag. Please give me your unbiased, unprice pointed opinion. And so here we go with this tape from the Holy Ghost that doesn't come off, y'all. It's gonna take me a while, that I promise you, but we're gonna open this bag. And did I say earlier that these arrived one day after each other? And I was really gonna wait when I got the Capucines for this box and this bag and do the unboxing together, but then I was like, oh well, you know, I know that the Capucines is sitting there, so here we go, y'all. This is very difficult. Oh, I almost stabbed myself again. Wow, it's not giving, it's not scissoring. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Okay, y'all, are we ready? Uh-oh, look at this, y'all. There's no confetti in the box. I mean, oh, actually, yes, there is confetti in the box. Okay, I lied. I was about to say, wow, they really tried it. But then now I have pink confetti. Oh, I actually like it now. I said in my last unboxing that I didn't like the confetti, but I do like the pink. I don't like the gray, though. I think the gray is very boring. And so got a calendar again. I'm looking for my, whatchamacallit. Where's my nail filer? Okay, taking out the box. Ooh, Jesus. Taking out the bag, I mean, and putting the box down. The box might have to sit here, you guys, so sorry if it looks like a eyesore to you. I just want to make sure I do have it. I just want to make sure that there's nothing in here that I'm missing. No, then I will just throw it on the ground. Okay, and this is the bag, y'all, and it says used is the new. We're just gonna break that bad boy right off, unwrap the paper, have little confetti straps falling on us, and from the feeling, you guys. It's a pretty substantial bag. It's actually similar in weight to my Louis Vuitton Capucines, and I'm going to untie it, unboxing. These are actually really nice dust bags, I do have to say. It's so pretty too. Okay, this is, or I got the Dolce & Gabbana medium Sicily bag. And y'all, this is, oh, it's so pretty, so cute. Wow. Oh, it's such a pretty bag. Wow. It has a few more stains on it than the Capucines that I knew about. In the description they had them, and also this was, I think, one of the only neutral colored bags in this configuration. If I'm not mistaken, it's the medium Sicily or medium Miss Sicily from Dolce & Gabbana, and I don't think they had any other nude ones in this size, or if they did, it was a really bad condition. So this was the only one in this condition in this size, and I think it's very pretty. I've always loved this bag, you guys. I don't know what it is, because for me it just seems a little boring, but I think it is beautiful. I don't know what kind of magic they sprinkled on me or in my eyes for me to find this bag so beautiful, but it is what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna open it and see what comes inside. I thought these came with a mirror, but I don't think that this one does because it's used. And like I said, I got it for a decent price, but this is what the interior looks like. It's like a leopard print and it's so freaking cute. It does come with the Dolce & Gabbana. Something fell, y'all. It does come with two little dust bags. I'm assuming that this one is for the strap and this one is for the bag. And sorry about my lighting, you guys. The sun is coming right out and it's about to shine in my face, so I might become a little orange strobe of light. Like I stated, this is the medium Dolce & Gabbana Sicily bag, and I got it as a comparison tool because I wanted to see it with my own eyes. A more affordable alternative to the Louis Vuitton Capucines. I've wanted this bag for many years, and I do think that these live underneath the same family. Maybe not price wise, but looks wise, functionality wise. Do I think that they're twins? No. Do I think that they're sisters? Also no. Do I think that they're maybe cousins or second cousins twice removed by marriage? Yes. And so that's why I got it, because I wanted to see how it like went up against the Capucines. And granted, I ordered the PM, so I was expecting this bag to be a little bit bigger, but I'm not mad at this size. And as you can see, when I put them like bottom to bottom, I love doing the bottom, not my arm shaking, y'all. I love putting them bottom to bottom like this. They are almost the same size. I will look to see what Fashionphile has this listed as the measurements and then compare it to this, because this was 10.5, I think 7 and 3 or 4 inches for length, base, width, or length, height, width, or length. Ooh, height, width. Yeah, that's right. And so I'm interested to see what the measurements are in here. The difference, one of the biggest differences, is that this sticks out on this bag and this doesn't. So the bottom, the base is the same, but these little wings on the side make it appear bigger. What does this say? Actually, I just saw Dauphine. Oh, wait, y'all, not them. Is this really called the Dauphine? Maybe it's called the Dauphine. I thought it was always called the Sicily. Am I crazy, or is Fashionphile really effing with my emotions right now? Because this cannot be. It says Dolce & Gabbana medium Dauphine bag, and maybe it is called the Dauphine. I really thought it was called the Sicily, but maybe the Sicily is the smaller version of this bag, or maybe I'm a little confused and the Sicily has some other configuration than this. But if I'm saying the wrong name, you guys, I am sorry. I will put the right bag and the right name and the right picture on the screen for you guys. But there are, like I said, a few marks on this bag that I knew were going to arrive with it. And so I don't know if you guys can see, but there's one right here. There is, let me find it. I think this little thing right here, Come on, camera. Don't fail me now. You better focus. Right there, that's a flaw. There is still a sticker on here actually, or random stickers here actually on the metal, on the inside of the metal right here. But aside from those minor flaws, there's nothing really wrong with the bag. There are a few other little speckles here. It looks like someone spilled coffee or a dark soup on the bag. And then there's also a little like spot right here. But for me, I ordered it knowing that the bag was going to come with this. Y'all, I am using the zoom function on websites when it comes to secondhand retailers. I go through the bag, literally spend like 5 minutes going up, going down, examining everything, zooming more in. I will take a screenshot because sometimes they don't let you zoom in as much. I will take a screenshot and then I will extra zoom in myself with like X50 to make sure that it's magnified so I know exactly what I'm getting, because I don't want any surprises when a bag arrives and then I say, hey, it's not the condition that you guys said it was. I want to be responsible as a shopper as well. I will put them up against one another. I think this one came in very good condition and this one came in excellent condition, and I still agree with the ranking system that I have received thus far with Fashionphile, but this is what they look like next to one another, and it's just deciding which one is more functional for my life and in my lifestyle. I don't know what it is about this. It looks a little bit more proper than the Capucines, because what I am going to do and what I want to do to this Capucines is put on a beautiful Twillian scarf around the handle, maybe add a cute little charm, even though I hate charms, but I think this would look very cute with a charm, and just make it as girly as possible. This one, I could probably add a scarf to it as well, but how the handle is set up, it probably wouldn't look as nice as with the Capucines. And so this is what they look like, sideways, back ways. Strap length is almost the same, and you can let me know which bag you prefer. The Capucines is a lot heavier, I do have to say. When I got this out of the box, it was extremely heavy, but now that I'm holding the Capucines, I'm like, oh my gosh, my arm. That's why my arm was shaking, you guys, to put it up next to it. And yeah, like I stated, I'm going to give you an update regarding the Fashionphile debacle and let you know how it goes. But the only thing I'm thinking about is if I want to keep the Dauphine as Fashionphile has it listed. I thought it was called the Sicily, or the LV Capucines instead. And so with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.